Today I would like to show how we set password in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to WhatsApp, then tap on three dot menu, then tap on settings. After tap on, we are going to accounts, then going to two-step verification. Tap on, then click on enable, then you put your password, then you again put your same password, then put email, then next input your email again, then click on save. It's already done. So if you disable this setting, just click on disable button. So enjoy the tricks and subscribe our channel and press the bell button also for our next video update. Thanks again for watching the video.